How to deposit money from bank account to Kucoin. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipen Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can deposit money from bank account to Kucoin. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to deposit money from bank account to Kucoin, you can simply open up the Kucoin and log into your account. Now, first things first, make sure that you are verified. Then you can see at the home page, you'll be able to see the deposit option. You can see right there. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on deposit, you'll get the option to deposit crypto, but you don't want to deposit crypto. Since you want to deposit currency or money, you want to head over to the fiat option. Here you want to search for the particular coin or particular fiat currency. Now here I'm not being able to see enough here. It's probably the server issues or because I'm not verified. Then you want to simply tap on the particular currency that you wish to deposit. As you can see, it says this service is not available in my region, so I'll just choose another currency for now. So once you select it, you'll get the option to deposit it via bank transfer and other options. In my case, it's just bank transfer. Here you want to simply tap on it, then it'll ask you for additional verification, your phone number, email, name. Tap on continue and then go ahead, enter in your bank credentials and select the amount that you wish to deposit, and you're good to go. So this is how you can deposit money from bank account to Kucoin. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.